There are a few that I like, Chris. So why don't we start with another one that just came out this morning. So, I was just talking about how I think it's important to focus on profits, but I think AeroFarms is a great business. I've gone through as quickly as I could since it came out this morning, the presentation, talked to some other folks about it. It's not trading up too much. And I think there's a little bit of fear that it looks a lot like some of these other companies that, these other SPACs have corrected so much. But this is a very good business. They've already got a head start. And the thing about that produce, Chris, is they're not going to have a hard time selling it. I mean, the same thing goes for AppHarvest. And what I would say about AirFarms is they're trading at about half the valuation of AppHarvest. AppHarvest was trading even higher, as you probably know, and pulled back down. So I like AeroFarms. I would also look at Skillsoft. So Michael Klein, of course, runs the Churchill Capital Complex. And we all know Michael Klein for Lucid Motors, obviously, which was quite a spectacle, the way that traded. But look at Skillsoft. I interviewed the CEO, Jeff Tarr, phenomenal guy, very competent. These guys are already profitable. It's a fantastic business. It's basically at work learning. So doing courses for compliance or various other skills. They've got something like 70% of the Fortune 1000 as clients already. It's a good business. It's trading pretty cheap. I like that one. Another one that I like a lot is Nerdy, which is similar in a way. So what Nerdy does, it's basically tutoring. So it's a way for people to remotely tutoring. So they've closed all of their in-person facilities. They're gone. They went totally digital, which was smart. They're backed by TCV, which is a really well-known Sand Hill Road venture capital firm. Woody Marshall from TCV is on the board. I love that one. And the ticker on that is PACE, by the way. And the one for Skillsoft is CCX. Just one more for you, Chris. I like Holly. So Holly is basically a company that helps you soup up cars. So it's for people who want to do aftermarket add-ons to vehicles. That one's also a profitable business. It's merging with Empower, EMPW. So I look at those. Common theme among those three I just mentioned, Chris, is profitability. And I think that that's something that, at the end of the day, some of these guys that flew very high in February don't have any valuation support. I mean, if you're trading at, 8 or 10 times sales, what's to stop it from falling to 5 times sales? Not too much. But if you've got, a reasonable EBITDA multiple, I think that you have valuation support. And so if things get ugly, there's going to be a bid.